everyone, welcome to the Crafty Pixie channel where we do sewing and craft projects. I am Bee. Whether you are new or old to this channel, thank you so much. It really means a lot that you are returning to the videos. The support is amazing. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. A few videos back, I let you guys know that I was going to be trying out some subscription boxes and doing some unboxing with you guys and then doing the project that was inside to give you, a little walkthrough. And today, this video is one of them. I have the Sewers Club box. This is the smallest of the three. I believe rounding up, I think it's $26 for the US. The package is super cute and it's a really sturdy size or container. What's really nice, first off, I haven't even opened this, but what's really nice is your label for your shipping is on the bottom of the box, so you're not losing out on any of the the cute design on the top. And if you're doing an unboxing, you're not flashing your address to everybody, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to break it open, show you what's inside, and then I'll put it together for you guys and we'll go from there. So I've got my scissors here. These are my paper scissors, not my sewing scissors. I like watching unboxing videos. I find them really interesting. I like surprises. They're fun. Alright, so me and you doing this together. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, spoiler alert, if you haven't opened your box already, I'd go to another video. But this is what you get when you open it. It's so cute. It's February's box. Let's see. Right. It says the February project is here with Valentine's Day this month. We wanted to demonstrate our love for sewing with the Made with Love pot holders. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. All right, let's take a look. Oh, here's our pattern. Really good size. It's not gonna bend on you like paper will. And it gives you all of the instructions on the back. Finish size is approximately 8.5 by 8.5. This tells me what's in the box, but we're just gonna kind of go with this. All right, so it looks like just a welcome sticker and a little coupon in here. All right, and it looks like we've got these cool little, they look like little clips. Hold on. They're rubber. Oh, they're little clips. Okay. All right, hold on. Oh, they're not clips. Sorry, I cheated already. They're assorted bobbin buddies. So you're gonna pop these around your bobbins so the thread doesn't untangle. That's really cute. I like that. Those are gonna come in really handy. Okay. And then it looks like a spool of thread. It's Gutterman thread. Color 50/50. Nice spool of thread right there for you. Here, I'll do a close-up. I don't know if this, so there's a little close-up of those. And then it looks like we've got 3 different fabrics. All right, so we got this. Oh, this is cute. I'm not really a pink person, but this is cute. Looks like there's little birds on them. Can you guys see that? Okay, that's cute. It looks like it's a 1/4 of a yard. Let me double check, sorry. It looks like a 1/4 of a yard of that one. And maybe a 1/4 of a yard of this one. This is a like a flower painting, kind of. That's really cute. I like that. These are gonna be super cute. Okay. Okay, I was so excited. I actually went to the Renaissance Fair, my local Renaissance Fair, today, and when I got home, this was sitting in my mailbox, and I was like, yay! So I had to open it right away. And then this one's kind of like, looks like a 1/4 of a yard, and it's, I'm gonna say, cobblestone kind of pattern-ish. That's cute. Okay. And these are folded really, really nicely. Like, I really like how this is folded. Now I'm trying to fold it the same way so it stays nice and neat. Okay. And then it's batting. Let's see, it's pretty thick batting. That's gonna be nice. You're not gonna burn your hand. I like that. Let me see. Tender touch 100% cotton batting. Okay. That's cute. And it's super, super soft. Okay. I don't usually work with batting, so that's gonna be interesting. And then the last thing that I have in here, I didn't opt for the extra piece, and then it looks like this is the Pellon Insul fleece. So insulated fleece, yeah. So you've got the shiny silver side and then the soft other side. That's nice. This stuff is not always easy to come by at the store, so that's really, really cool. And it looks like these fabrics, I'm so cheating, I'm sorry. And it looks like Adelaide Grove, presented by Free Spirit. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. All right, and then and the thread is the assorted pink Gutermann 50 weight cotton thread. That's really, really cute. I'm actually really excited to do this. I've never made pot holders before, so this is going to be fun. And this looks like it's going to be a quilt. Yeah, this is going to be like a quilted kind of thing. So that's going to be interesting. Okay. And this pattern says it's going to make 2 pot holders. All right. Well, this is going to be a new experience. I'm super, super excited. All right. Well, let's follow along on a new experience and see how it goes. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload every Wednesday at 9:15 a.m. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up.